If you're looking for the best hosting or coupon code, this video will show you exactly how to get the biggest hosting or discount available right now. With the exclusive hosting or coupon code linked below, you can get up to 85% off hosting, an additional extra 15% discount, and a free domain name, which means you'll actually pay less than what you see on Hostinger's pricing page. I'll break down the exact prices you can get on each plan, explain how the coupon code works step by step, and show you which Hostinger plan gives you the best value. To get the Hostinger discount, click the link in the description below. I provide the exclusive Hostinger coupon code next to the link that unlocks Hostinger's maximum discount, plus the extra exclusive discount that isn't shown on the main website. You'll see lower pricing than what Hostinger advertises publicly. This is not the standard deal. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the lowest Hostinger pricing available. Here's what you can get right now for a limited time using the Hostinger coupon code. Premium web hosting, starting as low as $169 per month, perfect for beginners, blogs, and small websites. Business web hosting, starting as low as $254 per month, best for growing websites, faster performance, and higher traffic. Cloud startup hosting, starting as low as $594 per month, ideal for serious projects, online businesses, and larger websites. When you choose any annual hosting term, Hostinger includes a free domain name for 1 year. Just keep in mind, annual plans include a free domain. Monthly plans do not include a free domain. If you're planning to keep your website long term, the annual plan gives you the best overall value. This Hostinger coupon code gives you up to 85% off hosting, an extra exclusive discount on top of that, lower pricing than what's shown on the Hostinger website, a free domain name on annual plans, a 30-day money-back guarantee. You're not missing anything. This is simply the best Hostinger deal available. To lock in the Hostinger coupon code, click the link in the description. Choose your hosting plan, select an annual term for the biggest savings, enter the coupon code at checkout. I've also included the coupon code next to the link to enter at checkout. If you want the best Hostinger coupon code, click the link below and lock in the deal before the pricing changes. If you have any questions about Hostinger plans, pricing, or which option is best for your website, leave a comment below. I reply to every question. And if this video helped you save money, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more hosting discounts and website tutorials.